is my new hair color. I tried this one again. How I understand, need to be wet hair. I put a little bit on wet hair. My fingers go through them, and then this brush, and then they dry by self. It's okay. Other time I try to dry with like blow dryer, with hair dryer, and they are like I don't know how to explain. They feel like, I don't know, they are not straight, not like shiny with blow. When you use this and blow dry, it's it's not good. When you use this and air drying myself, hairs are very nice, smooth, yeah, and soft. When you use hair dryer, it's not soft. I don't know. It starts thick and not soft. But then, right, it's like thermal protection, but it's not, I don't know. Because after blow dry, it's dry. It's hair stay dry. Not feels like I'm using this one. It's like I'm not using anything at all. But when it's drying myself, I put this one and brush it and dry myself in the air. Then it's very smooth and soft, very good. Yeah. And I need some other heat protector because this is not protect. It's not doing smooth hairstyle. When you use this one and you style your hair, it's not smooth. Hairs are like that. See, everywhere here, not smooth. Now I do this French braids today because I'm today at home, resting, my off day, no working day. Today I'm gonna rest. Yeah, maybe I need to go out in the garden, a little bit check how it's my blueberry, because I bought yesterday a blueberry plant and plant in a garden. Today I need to check if it's enough water. It's okay, it's growing. Okay. Yes, and check other flowers in the garden. Yeah, I work all this week and next week I'm working. I have a very busy week. I can't do video. Here's very hard about these videos. People don't wanna if they have in a camera. Then it's very hard. Videos, yeah, and show you what I'm doing and how I'm doing haircuts and color and highlights. It's very hard. I can do myself for my hairs, but it's not very professional, because when you're doing for yourself, it's really hard to do. When you do for other person, I can show how to do. But yeah, but no one wants to be in a video filming. Everyone don't like that. I don't know why. I have hard to be in a video filming also. I don't know. I can do, but I have a problem talking about something, because when I start to talk, I forgot about what I want to tell you. It's because of I have some kind of stress, I think. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you a little bit later. Maybe I film something more. I don't know about today. My day of work. See you later. for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. And this video been some moments from my week. And thank you, and see you next time. Bye.